Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do one of my favorite kettlebell chest exercises, the kettlebell chest press, floor press on the floor. So this exercise is excellent for developing a strong chest, and you can do it with the kettlebell. Just like a dumbbell, similar to a dumbbell, but of course, I'm all about kettlebells, so let's do it. It's going to develop a strong chest, strong grip, and you can do it, like I said, with your kettlebells. 2 bells I'm going to show you today, double kettlebell chest press. You could also do it with 1 bell and just alternate and switch the bell on the other side. Right, so as you come over here, the setup is important. All right, you're going to set up just like you would a get up. You're going to grab the bell from the side. I'll show you how to do that. So as you have the bell here, you're going to pick it up on one side, and then the other bell, you're going to curl it up onto the chest position. All right, so what you're going to do here, just like I said, a get up. First, this is the first part of the get up. You're going to grab the bell here, 90-degree angle down here. You're going to bring that bell right by your side. So I'm set up, as you can see, on this left side to press it. All right, now this hand here, I have to get this bell here. I can't rotate here with this bell here. So what I do here is I curl it into the same position. So I'm going to curl, grip it strong, curl it, and then here we go. All right, so this is it. Bells both by your sides. Okay, just like a dumbbell press off the floor with the kettlebell this time. The kettlebell chest press, one of my favorite exercises. Here we go. From here, so that was the first step, set up. Second step is squeezing those bells. Make sure your abs are engaged tight. Your lower back is on the ground. Fully contact with the ground to protect your lower back as you press. All right, so abs engaged. And then the third step is press the bells as you exhale overhead. All right, as you can see, it looks similar to a dumbbell press, and then you lower them down slowly. And here's the key, just low enough for your elbows to tap the ground, and you press up again. Come down, press up again. Okay, it's always slow and controlled. The difference between this and a dumbbell is the bells, first off, they're hanging outside of my arms here, as you can see. And as I press them up, my wrists rotate forward. So then my palms are facing away from me, facing the wall in front of me, and the bells are rotating out this way. All right, I control, I rotate in, keep my elbows right by my sides. And I press up. I lower down, elbows right by the sides. Press up. All while keeping my abs engaged, braced, my lower back fully on the ground, and my feet flat on the ground, all right? And then you slow down, and then again, power it up, power breathe. So you're gonna feel that chest, especially because the bells are off-centered, so the tension is still gonna be there the entire time. Lower it down, and then when you're done with your set, all you have to do is let the bells drop to the sides, okay? And then you just release them, and that's it, all right? And then your hat falls off. So this is the kettlebell chest press, guys. This is an excellent, my favorite kettlebell chest exercise that I can do, that I do regularly as part of my training program to get some more chest activity in there, in addition to push-ups. But this is one of the best ones that I like because I enjoy dumbbell. I used to do dumbbell chest press. Now I just do kettlebell training. But I really liked that exercise, so I brought this to the kettlebell, and that's how you do it, guys. That's how you develop a strong chest. Strong. You can train your chest because a lot of kettlebell training is a lot of vertical pressing. You want to get the horizontal pressing to target that chest, right? So this is how you do it with the kettlebell chest press or floor press, as you might hear. Again, you could do this with 1 bell. All right, this is 2 bells. 1 bell, you would just grab the bell here on the side. You rotate it here, and then this hand you squeeze here, and then you just be pressing 1 bell, just like that. Okay, so you can do 1 bell. I'll shoot a video on the 1-arm press, some key aspects of that, but this is the 2-arm kettlebell floor press. All right, so try this. Let me know what you think. This is awesome. Again, this is one of my favorite. This is my favorite, the favorite exercise for a kettlebell chest focus training that I really enjoy. So I hope you enjoyed as well. Get this down, get this right. Remember my 3-step system. The setup is important. Rewatch the video. You want to set up safely, always. Second step, of course, protecting that lower back and brace that core. That's going to get your full back and lower back flat on the ground, so you have that strong brace, protecting that lower back. And then the last step is pressing up those belts with your elbows right above the sides. Again, rotating, palms facing the wall, and the belt's going to rotate back. And then you bring it back down, in, elbows right by the sides, controlled, and then you press it back up. All right. Rewatch this video, get this down, get my step system down. Of course, breathing is important. Power breathing the way up, slow on the way down, power on the way up. All right, so again, rewatch this video, get this down, start doing this adding this into your chest training, your kettlebell training, and let me know what you think in the comments below. And now you can take this and my gorilla row kettlebell exercise and do my superset, which I have posted. You can check that out here. Make sure you get the gorilla row video as well. So you get those exercises down, you can do it in the superset. Excellent exercise finisher, that one of my favorites. So try this out, get this going, train smart, expect success, take it one step at a time. You got this. I'm ready to help you one step at a time, every step of the way. Develop that strong body, strong mind, vibrant health, just best you can be using the kettlebell. All right, have an awesome day, guys. I'll see you in the next video. See ya.